The best thing in the world is in this box. I'm gonna open it now. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Oh, it's beautiful! Wow! It's really pretty! It says, presented to Neural Academy for passing 100,000 subscribers! Thanks to everyone who's watched and subscribed. We couldn't have done it without you. Also, we have a new team member, Katie! Hello everyone! To celebrate this achievement, we baked an anatomically accurate brain cake. It's shiny! Also, feel free to check out our Patreon.